Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking in. So today I'm bringing you this nice exponential equation that I want us to solve for the value of x when given we have x power 21 plus x power 14 is equals to 36. So we'll begin by x 21. We can write it as 7 all this to the power of 3. 7 times 3, 21, plus x to the power of 7, all this to the power of 2 is equals to 36. Okay, so x power 7, it's common. So we shall say let x power 7 be y. Where we have x power 7, we are substituting it with y. So this will be y cubed plus y squared is equals to 36. So our next step is to bring 36 to the left hand side and equate this with 0. So y cubed plus y squared minus 36 is equals to 0. Okay, we have y squared here. So y squared is the same as 4y squared minus 3y squared. So if you have 4y squared minus 3y squared, you're getting y squared. So we are going to substitute this where there is y squared in our equation. So this will be y cubed minus 3y squared minus 4y squared minus 36 is equals to 0. Okay, so this is our first term and this is our second term. So we are going to factor out common factor here, which is y squared, and this will give us y minus 3, and on this side we are going to factor out our common factor here will be positive 4 into y squared minus 9 is equals to 0, right? Our next step, y squared into y minus 3 plus 4 into y squared minus, for 9 we can write it as 3 squared is equals to 0, right? So our next step, y squared into y minus 3 plus 4 into, we have, this is a perfect square. So if you have a squared minus b squared is the same as a plus b into a minus b. So we are going to write this in this form. So this will be y plus 3 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. So y minus 3 is common. Let us now factor it out. Y minus 3 is common, so y minus 3 we are going to factor it out. So this will be y minus 3 into y squared plus, we are opening the bracket, so this will be 4y plus 12 is equals to 0. So we have two solutions. Y minus 3 is equals to 0. Then this quadratic equation here, equate it with 0. Y squared plus 4y plus 12 is equals to 0. So we have formed a quadratic equation and we have y is equals to 3. So this is the first value of y. So let us find the other values of y. So we are going to use discriminant where delta is equals to b squared minus 4ac. Our a is the coefficient of y squared, which is 1. Our b, the coefficient of y, which is 4. Our c is this constant here, which is 12. So delta is equals to b squared, which is 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 into our a, which is 1, times our c here, which is 12. Delta is equals to 16 minus 4 times 12, 48. So delta is equals to negative 32. So negative 32 is less than 0, meaning no real solution. So x cannot be less than 0, or it cannot be a negative number, so no real solution. So we are going to ignore this value. We are remaining with y is equals to 3, and we had said let x power 7 be y. Our y here is 3. So we are going to solve it by x power 7 introducing the 7th root both sides. So this will cancel with the 7th root, and x is equals to 7th root 3, and this is our final answer.